Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Friday, and here in Chicago we've had some slow traffic because of 4-inch rains that hit overnight in a very short period of time in parts of Chicago. So these rains are also moving across parts of central Illinois and Indiana and helping crops there, and we've got some scattered showers across the western Midwest. So all in all, from a weather standpoint, there's rain around and it should help crop yields. The forecast is for some more rain around, warm temps, and then next week we kind of cool off and dry out, so allow the crops to use this moisture. No signs of early frost or freeze, even though cooler temperatures are expected down the road, but that'll also help the crops. Overnight, nearby beans are up, corn's up a little bit, wheat's up about a nickel. And the beans, as we get into the end of this marketing year, we're running low on beans. We still have beans to load at the Gulf and to crush, and I think that's affected the cash basis level and also the futures and the spreads. Still looking for a higher bean crop this year and a higher carryout, which should weigh on the November beans. In the corn, it's kind of a mixture of what's going to happen in Ukraine, how much corn exports are going to come out of there, and also how much farmer selling is going to happen versus pretty good ideas that the corn yield is going to get a bit bigger than what the USDA said in August, and so will the carryout. In the wheat, there was a humanitarian Russian aid convoy that went into Ukraine. It's kind of got the stock market a little bit lower. It's got wheat a little bit higher. So far, the Ukraine said they will not attack this convoy, and so we'll just kind of have to watch and see if the situation there escalates. That could be important to the stock market, energy markets, and also in the wheat market. Pro Farmer came out with Iowa corn yields a little bit lower than what the USDA had said in August, but they said Minnesota was higher. They also said that Illinois' yield corn is going to be higher than the government, and for the first time ever, Illinois could average 200 bushels on their corn yield. All three states had pod counts bigger than what they had seen on the tour last year and the 3-year average. That kind of bolsters pretty well for some pretty good bean yields in those 3 states. So all in all, we've got higher nearby beans, we've got higher wheat, and steady to higher corn market. U.S. crop conditions look great. Outside political markets are a little shaky this morning. These are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.